Whoa!
Of my jumbo spot chubby. Welcome to my toilet.
Yes, welcome to Mighty Toy Box. Today we're going to be playing with the Maui, the Demigod, Kakamora Adventure, Moana Adventure Pack, and also the Starlight Canoe. It looks like Gramma Tala and Maui went to go get some fruit to eat. And on their way there, they noticed that they passed a volcano. And uh-oh, it looks like the volcano erupted and now there's lava blocking their path. And Maui forgot his fish hook, so he can't fly. So who is going to save them? I don't know. It looks like Moana. She says that they can use her boat. So everybody gets on the boat and tries to head across the lava. Oh no! The boat gets swallowed by lava. Without the boat, how are they going to get across? So their boat burned up in the lava. How are they going to get across to give Maui his hook back or to save Maui? Can we build a bridge? Can we build a bridge out of bears?
No.
Can we build a bridge out of balls?
No.
What can we build bridges out of?
Maybe bread, I think. Yeah.
Out of blocks?
Yeah, sure. I'm making it for me. And I'm going to cross there. Okay?
Okay. You're gonna save Maui?
Yep. And bring him back to us.
Okay. That lava's hot. Are your feet okay?
Or is sticky.
Get to do a dance to keep it. Get to do a dance to keep it hot.
Kick it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't kick the lava. It's so hot. Oh, your feet are burning. Your feet are burning. Be careful.
One more. There you go. Just go to a squiggly branch. Think I can make it? I did it!
Oh, Maui made it. You saved Maui.
I made it.
Can we give Maui his hook so he can go get Gramma Tala?
I can get her. I'm going back here. Whoa, that's stretchy, and I think I can make it. Think I can?
I think you can.
Whoa, it's tricky.
Yeah.
It's a little bit tricky.
Are you supposed to stand on those blocks?
Ta-da! I did it!
Oh, you saved them both. You saved Gramma Tala and Maui.
The island.
So you're going to save the island now too?
I got it.
Now, weren't they going to get fruit? Are we going to have to go back and get the fruit too?
I can't get. Ha ha ha. I can do it with my basket.
Basket?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's go find it.
Huh.
Where's the basket at?
I don't know. Huh.
Is it in the kitchen? Is that where you normally keep your food?
I said it's like that. I'm supposed to go crossing.
Crossing the lava with a basket to get them fruit?
So.
Very good. Oh, their tummy's going to be full? Are their tummies going to be full?
Here you go.
Oh, they're so happy. What about their friends that are still down here on the ground? Are they going to get to eat anything?
Yep. Sure they're hungry. I'm getting some more food. She's going to go on the step. I'm not sure. She did a lesson to her dad.
She didn't listen to her dad?
No.
What did he tell her to do?
I don't know.
Did he tell her to stay on the island?
Yeah.
But did she?
No.
Did it work out?
She come back.
She came back. That's right.
Uh-huh. Wait, here he comes. She said, "Oh, coming!" She hugged her mom and dad. You get the crocodile?
The Kakamora?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can get him out.
He fell down. He fell down.
You gonna do it again?
Boom, boom, boom.
You gonna do it again?
Ow. I hit my head.
Alright, we're gonna
I hit my head.
are we gonna launch the
I hit my head.
Very, very good. You hit your head. Are you okay?
Again.
What happened? Did a flying Kakamora hit you in the head?
He's not here.
Are we gonna launch him?
What?
Hey!
I did it. I let go.
You launched him.
I'm gonna let him.
Ah!
He fell. He scared me. What's this one? You let him. I'm going to do this.
Are you combing your hair with a seashell? What is that? Is that a feather? It's actually a washed up palm leaf.
No, I did it with it. It's a feather.
What else was in this? A little seashell. Huh.
Let's. They're taking turns.
They're taking turns.
Yeah, they're having fun. They're having fun. I just threw out of floor. So I'm so happy to be in the family of Kakamora. See, two like these ones. See?
Yeah, like those ones.
Yeah.
They're tiny.
Yeah.
Bridge. Can you build it again?
I can make a new one.
Okay.
I can make a spooky one.
A spooky bridge.
Yeah. You have to be careful, my spooky bridge. It'll be full of mountains. And you have to be careful because it has a spooky mountain on it. Okay?
Okay.
It has a lava on it.
Lava on your bridge?
Yeah.
We gotta be careful on lava bridges.
Yep. It will be tricky on lava bridges. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm going to fall.
Oh no, you're in the lava. You're burning. You're burning.
I'm honest. Whee! Watch me hop on. 1, 2, 3. Jump. See?
Yeah.
I just. Ready? Already. Whoa, that was a close one.
Yeah. Is lava hot? Yeah. You're going to sleep on me. Are you really sleeping? I don't believe you. They're coming. Be careful. Oh, you're on the lava. Oh, you made it past, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta stay away from that lava.
Watch me jump
Yeah,
on.
be careful.
See?
You made it.
See? It was my duper duper jump.
Your super duper jump
Yeah.
to get away from the lava?
Yeah. That was helping. I'm on the island! Yay!
You're on the island.
Yeah. It's safe and I'm coming.
My feet are burning. Oh no, will somebody save me? Oh, thank you.
There you go. Look you, look.
Whoa.
Of my jumbo spot, chubby. I bot.
If you had fun with us, go ahead and click or touch that red subscribe button.